So heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, you don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone.
Olá, amigos do canal MultiCesar, como vocês estão? Tudo bem? O voo de hoje é na cidade de Capão Bonito, no interior do estado de São Paulo. O resumo da história da cidade foi gerado por inteligência artificial e estarei lendo para vocês neste momento. Capão Bonito foi originalmente habitada pelos índios Guarani e Caiçaras. Em 1560, os jesuítas estabeleceram uma missão na área. Em 1855, Capão Bonito foi fundado como um povoado. E em 1959, tornou-se município autônomo. A economia local é baseada na agricultura de café, cana-de-açúcar, entre outras, e também tem forte a pecuária e a indústria, também no ramo de madeira e papel. A cidade é conhecida por suas belezas naturais, como a Serra do Mar e o rio Capão Bonito. A cidade também preserva sua herança cultural através de festas tradicionais e museus. O turismo é uma atividade importante, com atrativos como cachoeiras, trilhas e paisagens naturais. Essa é uma visão geral da história de Capão Bonito. Queremos deixar aqui o nosso agradecimento a um amigo que conhecemos ali, que já se inscreveu no canal. Ele está no final desse vídeo. Deixamos aí um abraço ao amigo Júlio César. Ao Júlio César e família, o nosso abraço, o nosso agradecimento. Obrigado por estar ali conosco, conversou ali conosco, uma pessoa nota 1000. Um grande abraço, meu amigo. Pessoal, continue nesse vídeo, ainda tem muita coisa linda para vocês verem. Deixe aí o seu comentário, se inscreva no canal, fique conosco até o final desse vídeo. Um grande abraço a todos e até o próximo vídeo.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets. Yeah, high school was hard. You'd fight with my mom, I'd fall asleep to the screaming, sound machine always speaking, left emotional scars. Now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. At 21. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. I'm just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Yeah, doing things I shouldn't do. At 21. Yeah, I play you my favorite songs on a car ride while you list me all the people that left you in your life. Oh, oh, and you smoke on your chair while I was trying to sleep. I smell the smoke in the air, but that was normal for me. I didn't know, I didn't know. But now I'm 21, a soul of 50 years. And now that you are gone, I'm doing things that I shouldn't know from. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21, feels like I'm 50 years. And know that you were gone. I'm doing things that I shouldn't go for. I'm doing things that I shouldn't do. At 21. Oh, at 21. Yeah, I'm 21. Oh, just a kid. Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know from. Doing things I shouldn't know. At 21. At 21. At 21.